था मैं जाऊंगी तो ट्रेन से जाऊंगी। अरे वाह, एकदम इंडिया वाली फील आ रही है। अभी तो हम जा भी रहे इंडिया। आए
इंडिया कौन जा रहा है?
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. I am in New Jersey and I'm going to Charlotte by train. This is my first ever train journey in the US, so I thought I'll make a vlog out of it. The reason I'm taking the train is this weekend I came to New Jersey to teach one program, the intuition program, and there have been so many delays and cancellations of flights. Last night I was at the airport for almost 5-6 hours. I boarded the plane and then they cancelled the flight. My luggage is with them. They are not helpful at all. So I thought, how am I going to get to Charlotte, because they didn't have any flights available till Wednesday, and today is Monday and yesterday was Sunday. So I thought maybe I should just find another mode of transportation, and I found this train. It'll take 12 hours. Right now I'm going to the main train station. I'm taking one local train to get to the main train station. So last night I just came to one of my friend's house in New Jersey, and by the time I reached it was almost midnight, 12 o'clock, and then I had to wake up very early for this train. So I have barely slept a few hours, so you can see that I look tired. But I'm going to catch up on my sleep in the train. So let's see how the journey is, and I'll share with you all. So finally I came to the Trenton station. It was a bit difficult to find out where my next train was and which track it would come on. So I came up here to find out. I didn't get much help, so I kind of figured it out by myself. I am at the Trenton station, and from here I need to take my train to Charlotte. But I came here and even this train is delayed. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know when I'm going to reach home. Let's see what happens. So finally I boarded my train. It was 1.5 hours late, so something to do with my travel plannings. There's been so many delays and cancellations this trip, but finally I'm in the train. It's going to take about 12 to 13 hours for me to reach Charlotte. So I have the whole day. I'll get some sleep, I'll maybe meditate, chant, eat food. Oh, by the way, my friend, so sweet of her, she woke up this morning and she packed so much food for me that I don't have to worry about it. And they also just made an announcement that they have Starbucks and they have sandwiches and snacks. So there's a lot of options. I think I'm just going to rest and enjoy my trip. So this is all the food my friend packed for me. These are some fruits, some cherries and blueberries. And this is some chivda, which I already ate. I think it is Upwas ka chivda. And this is chila. I didn't eat this because I thought I'll just fast. It was Shravan Somvar. I'll eat it the next day. And then of course she gave me a lot of sabudana khichdi, which I ate most of it. And then there were a lot of other fruits and water and all of that she gave, and so sweet and so nice of her that she woke up in the morning and did all this for me. So this is Washington DC. I think that is the US Capitol building. I'm not sure. It looks like that. We also passed the National Mall. That's where the Art of Living World Culture Festival celebrations happened last year. So it was exciting to see that. Brought back all the memories and the fun that we had at that time. So it was nice. So this is the line for the cafe. It was not in the same compartment. They have a different compartment for the cafe. They had some food, of course, many of the things that I don't eat, but still it was okay. I got a bag of chips, potato chips, and I think I got some hot water.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू.
So we just crossed Raleigh station. It's another 2.5 hours from here. The train is running very late. I'm going to reach, if everything goes well, I'm going to reach around 10:15. And then from there home is another 20-25 minutes. So I think by the time I reach home it's going to be close to 11, and that will be almost 15-16 hours on the road. It's been a very long day, not just today but yesterday. I went to bed very late. I only slept 3 or 4 hours, and as you can see I look very tired. My body is definitely feeling a bit tired, but my mind is pretty okay. I have been pretty calm and cool throughout this, even though with all these changes and cancellations, except once where at the airport they didn't give me my bag, so I had to like kind of fight with them a little bit. But otherwise, I've been pretty chill and calm, and of course meditation helps. So yeah. I got an empty seat after Raleigh, so it was nice. I was able to stretch my legs and just relax. And I just thought I'll show the view again, because it's going to get dark soon and then you can't see anything. And this is how it looks when it's dark. Well, you can only see the seats because of the reflection, but it's actually very dark outside. So the time is 10:40 and they just made an announcement that my stop is coming up. So, oh my god, I can't even believe. It feels like maybe I would have reached India in this time. That it took me to come from New Jersey to Charlotte. Very adventurous, but good.
Hey, I'm sorry to keep you up so late.
This is Kannapolis, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Thank
well,
you.
it's New York's fault.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Charlotte.
Cannopolis. शार्लेट और आधा घंटा है पता है यहाँ से. So finally in the car going home. Today also happens to be the first Shravan Somvar. Usually we fast one time on this day, and it so happened that my friend, she made sabudana khichdi, which I had a little bit, and just some fruits. So all day I've just almost fasted. In fact, I've not even had dinner so far. So coincidentally it worked out, Shravan Somvar and my journey. So I'll end my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed my journey. Well, there was nothing much in it, just the train ride, but I just wanted to share, and also it would be a good time pass for me to make a vlog, you know, I had so much time. So if you did like my vlog, please subscribe, share, and also like the vlog. Bye, good night.